Have you wondered what would life be without these things? Without cars, without lights. Life would be so hard.
But what makes a car going? What makes a bulb light?
From more than a century, burning fossil fuels has generated most of the energy required to propel our cars, power our businesses, and keep the lights on in our homes. Even today, oil, coal, and gas provide for about 80% of our energy needs.
So what is fossil fuels? Fossil fuels are made from decomposing plants and animals. These fuels are found in the Earth's crust and contain carbon and hydrogen, which can be burned for energy in a process called combustion. When fossil fuels are burned, carbon and hydrogen react with oxygen in air to carbon dioxide and water. During this reaction, heat is released, which further amplifies it. Electricity is then generated by transforming mechanical energy to electrical energy in a turbine or generator.
Think of how it was converted to electricity.
Fossil fuel power plants burn coal or oil to create heat, which is in turn used to generate steam to drive turbines and generate electricity.
But even with its uses and advantages for people, burning of fossil fuels is actually bad for our environment and health. Why?
First, burning of coal and petroleum produces a lot of pollutants causing air pollution.
Fossil fuels release oxides of carbon, nitrogen, sulfur, and more that cause acid rain, which affects the soil fertility and potable water.
Burning of fossil fuels produce gases such as carbon dioxide that causes global warming.
In the United States, the burning of fossil fuels, particularly for the power and transportation sectors, accounts for about 3/4 of our carbon emissions.
So, what we have to do? What are the solutions to this problem?
In businesses, first, manage and reduce emission by preparing annual greenhouse gas inventories and setting long-term targets. Second, increase energy efficiency, as it does not only reduces greenhouse gas emissions into the atmosphere, but also it is good for a corporation's bottom line. Developing and implementing an effective corporate energy management program allows companies to manage energy with the same expertise used to manage other aspects of their business. Lastly, buying renewable energy can help reduce one's organization's environmental impact while also providing a number of other valuable benefits.
As for individuals, we have to first conserve energy by turning off lights, computers, televisions, and other electrical equipments when you're not using them.
Also, buying equipment that uses less electricity, including lights, air conditioners, heaters, refrigerators, and washing machines. Energy Star certified products in buildings use at less energy than standard models.
Limiting the use of air conditioning and installing a programmable thermostat.
Lastly, to help cut down on air pollution from cars, as it also produces significant amount of nitrogen oxide emissions, you can consolidate driving trips, carpool, or take public transportation such as buses or trains. And when possible, you can consider the walking or biking instead of driving.
Always remember, our micro efforts can have a macro effect for the world.